There's one more form of the equation of a straight line that will help us in lots of applications. It boils down to the fact that we know that if we have any 2 points, we can find the slope, and then we can go ahead and calculate out what the equation would be. The best way to make that happen is to use this point-slope form of the equation. And point-slope form looks like this. Now you have to look closely. Y and x are the variables, and x1 and y1 are a point. M, as always, is our slope. So we need 2 points, but one of them shows up in here, and the other one we need to calculate the slope. Let's show how this point-slope form can work. If I know that I have just 2 points, 5, 6, and negative 3, 8, 2 points, that's all I need. First I'm going to calculate the slope. M equals y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. If we do y2 minus y1, let's call it in that order. Then we'll do 6 minus 8. Then we have to do it in this order, which is 5 minus negative 3, which is plus. So we'll end up with negative 2 over 8. So our slope is negative 1/4. We're now ready to use our formula. We can use either one of these 2 points into the formula itself, and so our equation for this line will end up being y minus, which one do you want to use, the 6 or the 8? Let's use 6 because then they'll both be positive. Y minus 6 equals m, negative 1/4, times x minus, now we'll use the 5. This is an equation of the line. And we may not need to change it from this, or we might want to convert it back to one of the other forms. We may put this in slope-intercept form. If we do that, it will be add 6 to both sides and remove these parentheses, and we'll end up with y equals negative 1/4 x plus 5/4 plus 6. So we'll have to add the 5/4 and the 6 together. 6 is 24/4. So this problem would be y equals negative 1/4 x plus 29/4. That's the slope-intercept form. Now you might ask, would I get the same slope-intercept form had I used the negative 3, 8? And the answer is yes, you would. We might have done something else to this problem, though. We might choose to multiply through by the denominator. That would give us 4y minus 24 equals, now this is just a negative 1, so it would become negative x plus 5. Add x to both sides, and we'd get x plus 4y. Add 24 to both sides, and we'd get 29. This is the standard form, ax plus by equals c. So the point-slope form can change to slope-intercept form, or it can change to the standard form of a straight line. That's one of the things that helps make it so easy to use, because in any applications, if we have a couple of points of information, we can use the point-slope form and then go ahead and find other forms if that makes sense for us to do.